In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Power BI slicers searchable. If you've ever built a report with long lists of categories or names, you know how much time users can spend scrolling. Turning a slicer into a searchable input makes the experience faster and cleaner, and it's very simple to set up. Start by going to the Visualizations pane in your report. Look for the visual called Text Slicer. You'll recognize it by the small lightning icon at the top left and a letter paired with a filter icon. Click it once to add the visual to your report canvas. You'll see a placeholder appear where you can wire it up to your data. Next, add the data column you want to be searchable. In the Fields pane, choose the column that contains the labels your users will look for, things like product name, customer, or region. Drag that column onto the text slicer so it becomes the field the slicer will work with. This tells Power BI exactly which list of values to scan as someone types. If your column has friendly names and no duplicates, your users will have a smoother experience. Now, take a moment to resize and reposition the text slicer so it fits your layout. Use the corners and edges to drag the visual wider for longer names, and place it where people naturally start filtering, often near the top or left side of the page. Keeping it prominent and wide enough to read prevents truncation and makes it clear that users can type directly into it. With that done, you can use it immediately. Click inside the text slicer and start typing a keyword. As you type, the slicer searches through its list and shows only items that match what you've entered. Partial words work great. Typing mar will surface entries like March or marketing if those exist in your column. This live search narrows the slicer items in real time, and the selected result will filter the rest of your report visuals accordingly. If you remove your typed text, the slicer returns to showing everything, so it's easy to switch searches or reset your view. And that's it. You added a text slicer from the Visualizations pane, connected it to the column your audience cares about, positioned it neatly, and confirmed that typing keywords instantly filters the slicer's items. With this quick setup, your users can find exactly what they need without endless scrolling, making your Power BI reports faster, cleaner, and much more user-friendly.